Happy Saturday, y'all. I'm Greg,
And I'm Renee.
and we're still having some GoPro-ish problems.
Yep. So did a little bit of research, contacted GoPro, went through some testing, and our mics are just fine. It is the mic port
Yep.
in our GoPro 12 that's just not doing its thing.
Yeah, it's the sound's all messed up with it, and I'm
Yeah,
trying to talk her into going tonight to get a 13. So,
it's been a long day.
yep.
So I think with all of the accessories we have and stuff that we're probably going to stick with that. It is out of warranty, but doesn't still hurt for us to stay in contact with GoPro and see if there's anything we can do. At the very least, I guess we would have the onboard mic. We just wouldn't be able to use our remote mics with it. And also, I mean, it's a backup camera, B-roll, put it up on the dash instead of a dash cam or stick it on top of the truck, whatever.
Yeah.
So
And if anybody's watching, uses a little Osmo thing by
the Osmo
DJI.
Pocket, is that
Yeah,
what
the
it's called?
Pocket, whatever. Let us know how that is. Honestly, I feel like ours has been reliable because we've done tons of hours of video on it.
Yeah,
But now she's getting hot and the sound output's all
not
messed up
me,
on it.
the camera.
Yeah.
So I'm curious because the GoPro is very sturdy. Um, it you don't have to be as careful and fragile with
It's
it. We
compact.
still
Yeah.
are very careful. I'm a weirdo with cameras, um, kind of cameras photography on a very low level has always been a hobby of mine. But even like our phones, we're very careful. But that's one thing that we have read is that the Osmo is not as durable. That's what I guess want to say. Not electronically per se, but just where you set it,
Because
put it
of the
down,
shape and that little
right?
gravity stabilizer thing
The
on it.
gimbal thing.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm really trying hard for an excuse to go eat pizza at Costco tonight. So
Oh, we could.
yeah.
I do love Costco pizza. So another thing is this is you guys are right now inside our well mine, but we both have a I know iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes, iPhone 11s. We are generally if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But knowing now, having backup cameras, phones work great. That is another thing that we are, no matter what, going to do is upgrade our phones because between memory on the phone, storage, and all that, and this isn't doing too bad. Y'all
Yeah.
give me some input.
Dude,
Comment below.
I take one pic on my phone and it says storage full and it locks it down.
Okay,
So
you need to confess why your storage. Okay, we don't use the cloud for photos. Go ahead, blow us up for that. I have a paranoia about that. But somebody has like all these different albums, and what's probably your biggest album?
I'm one of them meme people that
Mhm.
holds on to memes, shares memes. I'm in groups of friends that share memes,
If
and
y'all are on
I'm
Facebook with us
horrible.
anywhere, then you've seen a lot of his
Yeah,
memes.
and so we're going to upgrade our phones too.
So, but I do think certain we're going to go with another GoPro, but it is still on the back burner. The Osmo Pocket 3 is what it's
Yep.
called. Um, so yeah, I would like a lot of y'all's input on that, whether you're just using it for fun or if you're a content creator, just give us some input there. Just curious.
Yep.
So we mentioned before, we have what you got over there, that booklet. We
Oh,
have lithium stuff on the way that will be coming. Already have the new, what is this?
oh, the
Inverter?
Vitron inverter,
Yep.
3,000 watt inverter. Yeah. So right behind us here, I've got to totally gut our pass through
Oh,
storage and
back
our
on the other side
generator
under.
prep out of there to actually fit all of this. So it's going to be some fun, interesting RV. I guess you could say RV cool content or whatever.
Upgrades.
Just me taking care of it. But
Since we
yeah,
last saw you guys, and actually that was part of some video we had that we thought would be on this video tonight and is not. But Greg did add, I don't know if we told you guys, he added a high output outlet.
a high current outlet
That
that plugs into the
that thing.
regular 110 port on the pedestal.
So we have that the water hose port, if on the driver's side, if you want to rinse your feet or whatever, it's only cold. We can do that on the other side. We have a hose splitter. So if we're over there already, we can use our other hose just to do that, rinse feet or whatever. So we don't need that water port.
Yep.
So he stole that area, put in another door thingy. So that's where he can plug
Yep.
in to the pedestal for that. And then he added a regular outlet under our dinette
Oh,
for me.
and yeah, and then an interior outlet to relocate the Starlink under the
Yes.
dinette storage where it's out of sight and it's not in the way. And then I added another outlet in the toy hauler garage just to give us,
Yes.
just make us more versatile with
So
putting stuff in there.
in our toy hauler garage, we have a outlet up high on
Yeah.
the interior wall that I would run an extension cord down and kind of pin it
Yeah.
down along the wall for other things. And then over by the bed in the ceiling, you have an outlet.
Yeah.
So when anybody stayed with us, that's where they had to plug in to charge their phone or
Yeah.
something.
For the electricians, I did balance between the two legs of power. So waiting on those comments.
Okay. I don't know what that means.
Yep.
So, yeah, just some little projects here and there. Not a lot has been going on for us. We've been, battling and trying to figure out this whole camera mic ordeal, and I'm not sure if y'all are really missing much from us,
No.
but we wanted to keep you guys updated, stay in touch, and tell you all we really appreciate when y'all watch and comment. Saw one of you today in Walmart in West Mobile. Was great seeing you, Jason. I haven't told yet to Greg, but ran into my friend from high school, Jason. He said to tell you hello,
Okay.
and he watches. So that was really nice. I'm glad you stopped me.
Yep.
So want to keep y'all updated.
Oh,
And what you
and
got?
just a reminder, we are still going to start looking for a truck. The
Yes.
the I think the 3,500 dualies are starting to trickle out, and I am going to get some contacts for some salesmen where we can start to drive, and we will gather as much info to share with y'all as we
He
can
will.
on the new 2025 Dodges with all the redesign, mainly in the motor and transmission. And I know a lot of people are curious, and we'll probably drive some Duramaxes also. So stay tuned for that. We'll get that out there to you too in timely fashion for sure.
I'm just ready for a four-door truck. It's a little bit lower. I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting tired of crawling into that thing out
Yeah, you
there.
are earning it and taming the beast when you take that big old 1996 thing out there. That's for
Yep.
sure.
So we hope to be back to a little bit more of our regular, but we appreciate you guys and just wanted to pop in and be like, hi, it's Saturday.
Yeah, yeah, and thanks a lot, y'all. We appreciate that you watch our stuff and keep up with us.
And all the input. So keep the comments rolling, because we do. We read them all and we take a lot into account and think on things. So thanks.
All right. See you next time.